Hello everyone, this is Linda. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm sharing my spice rack or my herb rack. Also, I'm sharing my super juice. Now, you may think, what herbs to drop? Open up your kitchen cabinet, stand there and look. What herbs and spices do you purchase? And if you could grow it, yeah, you could grow it. Drop the seed. Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. So today I'm working on two projects in my garden this morning. So one is I'm working on my spice rack. So I'm getting my spices and I'm going to drop seeds for my spices. I have my soil already. I have some cups and yeah, we're going to get it all together. So I do have some seeds that I'm going to drop for my spices I'm gonna do today. Yeah, let's see. Now I do have about 3 areas in my garden where I have Jamaican sorrel. I got a lot of it in here. These are my Jamaican sorrels that from last season. As you see, there's a lot of them. Sorry about my hat, my shadow there. I have a lot of seeds in here. There we go. You see there's a lot of seeds in there. And some of them is still in the pods. But, you know, I'm going to get some out and we're going to drop some more. I have some in here too. Yeah. So, I also have, I was thinking about this. This is some black corn that was sent to me by Sam over there at Weekend Garden Show. Hey baby, she sent this to me last season. I may drop a couple of them because last season when I dropped them, nope, they did not show up. But we're gonna do it again. I'm gonna drop it. But today it's all about spice rack. That's what I'm doing today. And you know, when I come out here, I try to have a plan because if I don't, I'll get overwhelmed and do all kinds of things, right? It's just crazy. But anyway, this is my dill head that I saved, right? So this is my dill seeds. You see that? And that's the way they come out when you put them in those Dollar Tree brown paper bags. And this is what you get. So really cool about that. I'm going to drop a couple of them. Now, I'm going to drop them for pest control. That's what I'm dropping them for. This here, yeah, these are some Dollar Tree little flowers and tomatoes. Save the bees back there. Jada is going to drop those, and yeah, I just have them out here waiting for her. Right now, she is resting long because yesterday was her last day of school, so I'm gonna let her do her thing. And I know many of you have seen these little bottles from Dollar Tree. That's them. Now, this is dill seeds in here. To my sweet friend, Maria Graham. Maria Graham, I sent you a tall bottle, one of these bottles, right here, the tall bottles, of dill seeds. Jody was packing my bag, your bag, and she didn't label it. So this in your tall little container is dill seeds, baby. You have dill seeds, okay? So let me fill up these cups and get everything together. Oh yeah, she's sitting here right next to me. And we're going to drop these seeds for my spice rack. So this is an onion head that I harvest. Wait a minute now. Let me get her out. This is the way she looked, right? And I'm going to show you her seeds. Oh boy. Wait a minute, y'all. Trying to get it. Anyway. Okay, here is the seeds. Yeah, I just put them in a Dollar Tree brown paper bag, and there is those onion seeds, right? So I'm gonna drop some of those just for pest control. Pest control. So the other night I was watching someone's channel about nasturtium. Oh, yeah, yeah. It was Ernie Hatmaker. Ernie Hatmaker, baby. Yeah, so thank you so much. She shared her nasturtiums. These are nasturtium seeds that I harvest from my nasturtiums on last season. So thank you, Ernie. I'm going to drop these babies. Yes. Thank you, baby. So listen, guys, if you all don't know Ernie Hatmaker or you never been over to her channel, please go check her out. Ernie Hatmaker is one of the most kindest people I know. She's always trying to grow the community, right? So Ernie Hatmaker had some nasturtiums and she shared them. And what I didn't do this season, I didn't drop one seed of nasturtium, but that's okay because Ernie Hatmaker helped me out with that one. So thank you, honey. I'm gonna drop them today. All right, family. So now everything is all planted up. I got all my little spices that I like, all of the herbs I like to grow with. Now, my son says that he wanted some tarragon. So one of the most important things I say to you is that is to grow the herbs that you like, right? I'm not a big fan of tarragon, right? But my son says he would like to have some, so that's why I'm dropping it. No other reason. But yeah, grow the herbs that you like. And if you never tasted before, you want to try it, drop the seeds. The great thing is that you could get them from the Dollar Tree, and like this oregano. Yeah, I'm not big on oregano, but that's what he wanted, so I'm gonna drop it. But grow the herbs that you like to eat or you want to try. If you want to try, look, you're a gardener. You could grow that thing, right? So now I'm going to just water all of these plants in. I did drop more Jamaican sorrel. Okay, family, for those who don't know or who have just no idea, this is super juice. And it is old. Yeah. And man, she have a smell on her that will rock. Oh, she's rocking over here. So there's a lot of, you can see, let me get down in there so you can see it. So it's just old plants I dug up or just didn't make it, or leaves and all of that good stuff. That's what that is. Now, what I'm going to do is I take all of the solids that have not, broke down. I'm taking it and I'm putting it in one bed that I have. So I'm going to make some changes in my garden for the spring, right? But so I'm using many of these this for 1 or 2 beds. Now this is going to go in one bed that I am going to use in fall and for spring, right? So, but now I'm just going to take the juice and I'm going to add it to this soil. Let me bring y'all up some. Wait a minute here. So this is a 17-gallon container. I've just cleaned it out. Now, this is just some compost that I had, and it is nice and moist. I just put water in it and let it set. And now I'm going to put a lot of this in here. And tomorrow I'm going to put some pepper plants that I have. I'm going to drop that in there. Yeah. Hmm. So this is a pepper that I topped. You can see I topped her here, over there. She's been topped here, but she's doing well. She's bushing out now. Yeah. So I'm walking around here. I got myself a fresh bottle. I made a fresh bottle of um, soap and water. That's all. I was looking at this is a turmeric plant. I don't know how she got here, but she's here, and she has been munched on. So I'm gonna spray her well today, so whoever it is could stop eating on her, right? So it's just soap and water, family. That's all this is, soap and water. But today I'm just dropping seeds, and also, if you were with me, you see where I dropped these seeds a couple of days ago. And because, yep, they've been sitting right here. They've been sitting right here. Everything is germinating so fast because of this heat, right? So today I'm working on my spice rack. That's what I'm working on today. So if you can see over there, there's germination over there, and it's really cool. So over here I dropped these fava beans. I dropped all of them right here in this row here. There's them right there. So we just kind of cover them up, and they're all the way across. Yeah. Also in here, because fava beans, they will get very tall, very wide. I don't want to plant anything too close to them because, yeah, they need the space. So I have basil growing here. As you can see, she's bolting, but I'm going to take that off. I'm going to take it off. Yeah, but she's beautiful, and yeah, I want it. So I'm gonna leave it there. I have parsley here. I have parsley here. There is a celery back there that, I didn't drop her. She flew there, and that's where she is. Also in this bed, at the end over there, we have 2 pepper plants, and behind this marigold, that's a marigold plant. There is a parsley plant back there. Yeah, so I'm going to, I don't know what I'm going to do with this, this marigold. And there is a big, that's that big ruby red chard. See her bottom? Yeah, she's over there. But I'm going to be working on that today. Also, I have cleaned 2 of my 17 gallons containers from the back garden. Let me share. There it is. That's one I've cleaned. And there's another one on the other side. I got to think about what I'm going to put in there, but I'm thinking some of these herbs may go in those beds. Now this is the botanical interest flowers. That's what this is. There's about 4 different varieties of flowers in here, right? But there's one that I'm really looking forward to. I'm looking for her. So I may plant her again somewhere else just because I want to see her. Yeah, but that's them. What's too late?
You missed the show.
Take your glasses off, Jody.
My what?
Glasses. Just throw it down, y'all. what you did? How many steps you did?
11,000.
11,000. Girl, you is wet up. Ass wet.
Yep. I don't know what y'all doing. Don't mute this part, okay?
All right.
I don't know what y'all doing,
Mm-hmm.
but get up and move.
Mm-hmm.
Sit down, move your legs.
Yes.
I don't care if you can't run.
Yes.
I don't care if you don't have weights. Get some bottled waters. Pick up the bottled waters.
Right.
But just move,
Move.
because it's important.
Yeah.
And don't think I always had it together, because I didn't.
No.
But now that I know, I think it's my business to share it.
Yeah.
Y'all get up and do something.
Yeah.
All right? Bye-bye.